Hello everyone, my name is Rajkumar. I am a spoken English practice teacher. Every day I am speaking English practice. My class started. Okay, so mainly that is just simply spoken English practice today, and others English practice and grammatical practice. Everything I am practicing with you. So most important, my questions: easy to English practice every day and vocabulary not your problem, and thinking you are very not problem. So today I am very interested and speaking English practice easy, most confidently others to uh, gathering to English practice to not your favorite. Okay, because English to most important your student life time. Okay, so and your out country people your speaking English practice too very important. So another two English practice to most confident and regularity your English practice and your English speaking English movies and speaking English everything so practice to most confidently. Okay, so my first question is English practice time and English practice time to very important and very collection your English practice time and easy to English practice and you are very interested to English class level and your painting time to very important your mindset your painting and your thinking. Okay, mainly spoken English not your thinking, spoken English your practice very easy. Okay, so spoken English easy to most important and spoken English practice time and different to others language and process English practice process English lecture process and English vocabulary process. The vocabulary no you are important. Vocabulary means your Hindi to English practice time. Hindi to English practice time most important your listening and tongue twist practice easy. Today spoken English practice time something your average and something to difference. English practice easy to English practice easy to all student all confidently English practice to definitely practice and definitely English lecture most important English lecture time. Okay, so I am my all YouTube family member English practice time 2. Situation is a not your confidently others to English practice and others to English language and different language to best important and best categories to different not your English. Okay, so mainly your cartoons video your not your important, that is your practice very important and vocabulary you are looking to watch to movies watch to English series. Okay, and most important practice English. Okay, your English series to your English series and English serial your practice by English looking to play to videos easy to English practice time. Okay, so my outside all friend your English to your English practice you most important. Okay, so I have your everyday and my practice. Okay, English I will your practice my career. I will my practice your career most important your career and most important your life your content and your practice to English lecture practice to English modify your brain modify. Okay, and mouth modify others to English practice to very important and situation is a very normal and situation is a very because English to most important and Hindi Indian most important language and out country your same India people you are speaking Hindi and speaking your Hindi and your locality your local and village your friend your Bengali and Hindi Marathi Gujarati speaking anytime Hindi, okay, and totally office language and others country language and others American language, British language, it is simply a difference, and Indian language is simply difference, okay. So easy and English and other two practice English and very fastly your car, okay, very fastly your car driving to driver, easy to your handling, your easy to handling your spiritly your car and running, okay. So and fastly your failed and for your driving time, okay, and next time you're slowly and driving, okay, and first, second and third you're simply different and simply your practice to simply change your driving, no. So my question every time, every day, 1 month, 6 months, 3 months your practice to English time and others to English language time, and you are solved your life, your career is very important, my situation is a very important, okay. So best language and best confident to English practice and English to others language, you know, you're confident. Hindi to English practice, I am me speaking, and Saruk Khan easy to English practice and you know grammatical English practice, okay, easy to easy your every day and every time you practice English and others shooting sport, every time your English practice. Saruk Khan, Salman Khan, everyone your practice to English and others and Indian people, Amitabh Bachchan, every actors, every actor and every categories your actors, acting masters, your practice to simple practice. So most important your practice to English and most important your practice to confident others to language and others to confidently English language to practice. So today your English practice and I am every day speaking English practice, my group join to other English practice to confidently, and my YouTube channel subscribe my friend, and today your very bad sound my outside road and very different your sound, okay. So I am very probleming my roadside and bad side, okay. So I prepare to English language practice. I am teacher and English language to very interested me, okay. So actually I first to English language and digital marketing I am teacher, and so easy to digital marketing and first year freelancing teacher me, and your out country your people, out country your customer and buyer and out country your client and speaking to English practice and your group practice group discuss you, okay, and me and discuss now, okay. So different to English language and different to English practice to language and others to English language practiced, okay. So I am most important and I think you're most confidently English practice, English language practice, and I am center your real budget and I am English practice to group my speaking. So different to English practice and different to English language practice. So confident to English language and others to confident your English language. So most confident and most categories and most English practice every day, every time, every lecture. Up. And a good night everyone. I am simply your topic and speaking to I am not your speaking and I am solely speaking. Firstly speaking my student and my family members and others to English language and others to English practice to confidently. Most important and most others to English different to I am laptop play and my side of 8 laptop play and every time, every day, and different to English language and different to English practice to confidently, and your everyone I abolish to my English practice to confidently, and be my class attend your beginner to advanced your speaking English practice and normal to advanced your speaking English practice to me and my student, okay. So best English language and best confident very my student and others your for student you very fastly speak English practice, okay. So normal to speaking English like YouTube video and Facebook videos and Google Chrome browser your collection to others your search engine, YouTube, Google's, Firefox, Facebook, your everything your change your life and change your dictionary. Know your speaking English practice, know your different to English practice to others and language and others to different language, okay. So most confident and most speaking English practice, different to English practice and others to English language practice, and confidently English language or different language, one student, one different language, different volume, one different speaking. Okay, so most important and most category is easy to English language and different language. So I am very proud to my speaking English practice too, and others speaking English practice and confident English practice, and I am very higher speaking English practice not okay everyone. So I simple my topic and simple my education qualification. I am graduation to complete not I am a student. I know I am simply speaking English practice teacher and digital marketing teacher. Okay, so provide to spoken English practice and simple spoken English practice to time. Okay, goodbye, ta-ta, good night, good on.